So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be here. Very exciting presentations today, very good information. But how about if I tell to you that this is all wrong? This is all wrong because of the current studies, scientific studies, very clearly show to us that the method of giving information like this, that I'm pouring information to you, this is one way channel that this is not optimum at all. This is the truth that we boys from the back rows at the school classes we have known already. This is not the optimum way to learn. The optimum way to learn, according to current studies, is that when we are collaborating, when we are discussing, then we are learning. But this, that I'm telling some truth to you, when you walk away, unfortunately, I cannot guarantee that how much do you remember. There is a change ongoing in the world of the education. The myth that the one size fits all, it is not true. We need new ways to learn, new methods, new mobile methods to interact and interfere. So, instead of complaining, we should see it as an opportunity. One size does not fit all. Let's take an example from Finland. We are quite far, as you know, in the north, a little bit isolated country. We have a refugee problem at the moment. We have more incoming refugees to Finland on a weekly basis than the government was expected on a yearly basis. The whole society is more or less messed up. The question is that how to take those persons to the Finnish society. This is not the way to teach them that I'm telling to them that you should respect females and you should follow the laws and rules. What we are doing, we are enabling that kind of growth material production. That means that we are inviting social media candidates that please do provide video clips. How to go to the normal bus in Finland, how to purchase the ticket, record it as a video clip, and we will load it to our platform so that the incoming new citizens of Finland will immediately learn something that is self-evident to us. How to pay at the normal grocery store. I had the case with me because I'm part of the Finnish Red Cross. I was with one refugee in a normal shop. And he took the plastic bag. He expected that it is for free. In Finland, we have to pay a little bit about the bag. And the cashier there, she believed that the poor person is trying to steal a plastic bag. There was a conflict of the cultures. That kind of information we should be able to feed on a daily basis. So let's turn the whole education upside down. Let's go out of the box. Let's have a new thinking of what the education could be. This is really an opportunity. First of all, the solution, whatever it is, it needs to be a mobile. The laptops, the era of the laptops is gone already. We will need something that is running on the mobiles, as we have learned so many times during these days. The solution needs to be something that we are able to collaborate. Instead of I'm giving information to you, what you should do actually in order to learn, you should discuss, you should share information, you should collaborate. And then, when you are collaborating, when you are changing information, when you are arguing, when you are commenting, then you are learning according to current studies and the scientific evidence. The tool, whatever it is, needs to be collaborative, support collaboration. And the same way, the interaction of the data, whatever material there is for the training, I do not, at this point of the time, it is maybe not good to be at the publisher, because the most of the learning data nowadays is coming from the internet. It is for free. We need channels where we can focus the material in the areas that are reachable for the students. I have one of these bracelets. This is counting how many steps I'm taking on a daily basis. I'm measuring my health with that. In a similar way, the mobile application can give you feedback about your studies. How well you are performing, are you motivated, are you meeting your daily targets? We are calling it as an analytics. So that feedback is given on a very detailed level to the individuals and on the group level to the lecturers and the teachers also, so that they are able to pinpoint to those who are leaving behind, who might finish their studies because currently the material they are studying is not at the level of their understanding. So the teacher can put his or her focus to those who need advice. In a similar way, the analytical results can be used to pinpoint the 10% of the persons or students that need more challenges. The current course is not enough for them. Here in Spain, we are represented by the Made in Mobile, Sixto Arias, and may I, Marta, ask you, Elena, may I ask you to stand up, please? Elena Duarte, she is our person what comes to the practical questions about the GLANET solution. Please do not hesitate to contact her and the Sixto in case you have further questions about the GLANET usage here in the Latin and the Spanish markets. Thank you so much for your attention. It was a great personal pleasure to be here today. Thank you.